We'll continue getting you the latest updates on that front. But let's move on to the other big story of the day. 2 days after the AIIMS team in its report termed Sushant's death as a clear case of suicide, you've got Sushant's family. They're unhappy with the AIIMS findings. They've demanded that a new forensic team now be set up to probe the late actor's death. Sushant's family lawyer Vikas Singh will be meeting with the CBI director Rishi Kumar Shukla today in the capital and will be requesting him to constitute a fresh forensic team. Sushant's family lawyer has termed the AIIMS report as unsettling and also raised questions as to how the panel gave such a conclusive report in the absence of a body, even when the post-mortem done by Cooper Hospital was shoddy according to SSR Skin and didn't mention the time of death. Remember, the AIIMS panel head, Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who was analysing Sushant's viscera report for the last 3 weeks, has ruled out the murder theory and termed it a clear case of suicide.
आधी मुंबई पोलिसांवरती विश्वास नव्हता, इसलिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सीबीआई को भेजा है। इसका मतलब है सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऊपर विश्वास नहीं है और सीबीआई के ऊपर विश्वास नहीं है। अब उसका ऊपर अगर कहा जा सकता है तो इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट है हेग में, सीआईए, केजीबी है।
Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us from Delhi with more details on this. Aishwarya, Sushant Singh Rajput's family unhappy with the AIIMS findings so far. What are the chances of the CBI actually going ahead and giving into this demand of a new forensic team being set up?
Well, we'll still have to wait and watch, Akshata, what is it that the CBI does. But let me tell you what Vikas Singh, who's the lawyer of Sushant Singh Rajput's family, has to say. He has tweeted and he said that it is unbelievable what has come out. In fact, Vikas Singh has asked for a copy of the report. He's also saying that if need be, he will study the report and he will once again go to the court with the findings which he finds. But yes, at the moment, from what we understand, both the family and the lawyer, they are not happy with what has been made out to the public by the AIIMS team.
Okay, we'll track closely what is the outcome of the meeting of Sushant's family lawyer with the CBI director if the CBI gives in to the demand of a fresh forensic team to probe the autopsy report. Aishwarya, thank you for all those details. So after 112 days of suspense, the truth finally seems to be out in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. The head of the AIIMS panel, Sudhir Gupta, who was in fact examining Sushant's viscera, has categorically denied the murder theory. He said that this is a clear case of suicide. Here's our detailed report on the case facts and no fake theories.
One death, 5 theories, nearly 4 months of intrigue, and now the dust seems to finally settle in the most talked about case of 2020. The AIIMS panel head Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who was analysing Sushant's viscera report for at least 3 weeks, has ruled out the murder theory and termed it a clear case of suicide.
The AIIMS chief of forensics and also the chairman of the medical board looking into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput has made it explicitly clear to the India Today group that Sushant Singh Rajput's death is a suicide. He has ruled out any foul play. He has categorically made it clear that the AIIMS report, which has been submitted to the CBI, clearly says that Sushant Singh Rajput's death is a case of hanging.
The report by All India Institute of Medical Sciences also concurs with the opinion of Mumbai's Cooper Hospital team that carried out autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Autopsy on Sushant Singh Rajput's body was conducted at the Cooper Hospital on June 14th. This was conducted under supervision of 5 senior doctors from the Cooper Hospital. The cause of death stated by doctors at Cooper Hospital was asphyxia due to hanging.
Insiders say the circumstantial evidence collected by the Central Bureau of Investigation also indicates it is a case of suicide and not homicide.
The Central Bureau of Investigation has relied on three important findings. First one, the forensic report on the crime scene recreation. Second one, the profiling of the suspects, including of Riya Chakrabarti. And the third one is the key witnesses who gave this statement and who were present when Sushant Singh Rajput died in the same flat. These findings were analyzed with the findings of AIIMS doctors on the viscera and autopsy report of Sushant Singh Rajput. And after analyzing all these findings, the Central Bureau of Investigation sources have told India Today that it appears to be a case of suicide and not a case of homicide.
From 14th of June, suicide, movie mafia, murder, money laundering, drugs. All these theories have been revolving around the death of a film star. Reporting only facts, India Today TV showed only what the agencies investigating the case told us.
Okay, there's big breaking news that is coming in at the moment. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide.
On 14th of June, India Today broke the news first, which shocked the entire nation. On June 15th, the autopsy report of Sushant Singh Rajput was accessed by India Today's Divyesh Singh first.
A team of 3 doctors have conducted the autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput. Provisional cause of death is asphyxiation due to hanging. That's the latest coming in right there. Divyesh is now joining us.
This is the mortuary where we are standing outside. It is where the post-mortem was conducted, the autopsy was conducted.
On September 29, CFSL scientist Amitosh Kumar, who visited Sushant's Mumbai residence, told India Today there is no solid evidence of murder.
पर गला नहीं घोटा गया, उसको लटकाया तो है, ये तो है कि लटका है, क्योंकि लटकने के निशान अलग आ जाते हैं, वो लटकने वाले निशान।
मतलब खुद से लटकने वाले या दूसरे के लटकाने वाले?
खुद से लटकने का दूसरे का चक्कर यही है ना कि वो अब ना तो कोई उसका पीएम रिपोर्ट में तो कुछ है नहीं,
फॉल प्ले कुछ नहीं है
अभी तक तो निकल आप कोर्ट में साबित भी तो करोगे, थोड़ी किसी को ऐसे कह दो मर्डर है, अब खाली यूँ कह दो कि मर्डर है, हाँ जी मर्डर है, तो वो तो मीडिया वाले मर्डर गाए जा रहे हैं जब।
Responding to the AIIMS report, Riya Chakrabarti's lawyer Satish Manish Shinde has said truth cannot be changed and speculations were motivated. The CBI is likely to continue its investigation into abetment to suicide. However, the probe agency says all aspects are still open in this case, and if any fresh evidence comes to light proving otherwise, murder charge will be added. With Munish Pandey, Divyesh Singh and Anjana Om Kashyap, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.